G'day guys and girls, your old mate Daz with you again once more. Now today we're going to be swapping out our windscreen or windshield wipers on this Mercedes-Benz W211. This is a 2002 model E320. Now as you can see, that's absolutely rotten and falling to bits. So we're going to be swapping these out with a nice brand new pair that I bought on eBay. Now very simple procedure, no tools are required. We just simply grab hold of the wiper arms and lift gently. This is called putting them into the service position. And now we can just pull the arm forward. It's not hitting against the body, which is what it would have done here and done some damage. And we simply turn the wiper upside down and just slide it off, as simple as that. Now fitting the new one is very simple. All we want to do is have that bar sitting in that section, so don't try mounting it like that. It mounts like this. Simply turn this upside down, slide the pin into there and drop it down, and that wiper is now done. Repeat on the other side. Now with this next one, I've just pulled the wiper a little bit closer to me. We're just going to do the same again just by standing it up. You can see how bad that one is. Turn it upside down and just push that off. As simple as that. The new one, put it straight on, drop it down, and that job is all done. Now we can just return our wipers gently back to the normal position. So the correct size wipers for the W211 is 650 millimeters or 26 inches, and the brand I use today is called Akatana. I've used these quite a few times on many different makes and models. I got these from eBay Australia for around $35. Now there were actually cheaper ones for around $28 Australian, including delivery, but these ones are actually steel reinforced and a bit stronger, so I fought for the extra $6-7 to have the steel reinforced ones. Seemed like a good option, so that the wiper blades are not so flimsy. Okay, well I hope that's saved you a lot of hassle. A lot of people think that you need to get this bar here and bend it out the way, and they end up doing damage to their wiper arm, and that will cause a lot of hassle. But as you can see, there's no tools required and they fit on very quickly and easily. Okay, thanks very much. See you next time. Bye.